Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the ice maker drain tube assembly in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the refrigerator away from the wall. Unthread the 7 screws securing the lower rear access panel using the Phillips head screwdriver. With the screws unthreaded, lift the panel up to remove. If still intact, pull the old drain tube assembly down to remove. Before you install the new ice maker drain tube assembly, confirm the tube is inserted into the grommet. Now align the tube on the retaining post and the grommet on the drain spout. Reinstall the access panel by aligning the bottom tabs first, then thread the screws to secure. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.